Malala Maria ho e ki melele ai Tonga hono kotoa. Whiwhia ke taitalele ki mautol ki o mō fuafua ngongo me televisione ke tau fo o uanoa uano. Wakai koe ke ngai ulu i o ngongo. Talitali e tongani ai tau fo o a ke hakatoanga whana one ane whiawhi i loto Nuku'alofa. Whanau e fuafua pepe o tau i he pongpongi ane awhi i Vaiola pe a tō tau ai taha o kaule o maheni e le te o tonga ko mele waka havili pe o mana tua makehe wa ao ngongo ai taime o eni whakahako whatongia ma ai maa i moa o i komsoni whamafola lea o Tonga. E to ia e pe mui ngahi talanoa ke ana yange whakataha me wakai ke whamui taha mi he malai o slipoti kai o maafu ki ai whakamatala ea. Kai wakai lewa eni ke whakaiki ko au snori tatu i vai. Ko e aha whakawhiawhia ane awhi ke tokolahi ko e uhi ko ia usia mo ui ai tau fo ouni ua noa ua no. Pe i he lau maari e ko ia, ne tokolahi e kakai ne nau te fua i wafuwuna i loto Nuku'alofa ane e whiawhi, ki ona whailonga i tongani ai a usia o e tau fo o uanoa ua no. Ko e whailonga i tongani a ke apolo kalama whana on, ne tatakia e he potunga o tak mamata, i ona whapaanga e he puleanga o siaina. Li te atau kapo mo e whakaikiki.
3, 2, 1!
I hono talitali e pule lahi leo leo o i potunga o i taki mamata e kainga tonga ne nau i he polokalama ma kehe ko eni, ne whakahai e whatuai ka wailea ko i polokalamani ko i whakataumua ma ai kainga tonga ke nau whakatahataha mai o whiawhia i he huelo o i ngahi mama o o mai e he one. Ko e uhi o o mai he mama ai whaka amanaki lelei ke whanonga o i tau fo o ko eni. I he lau maali e koia, ne whakapaanga i he pule anga siaina ai konga lahi o ngai whakamole ki he polokalama ko eni, o whakahai he ampastoa a siaina ki tongani, His Excellency Liu Wei Min, ko whana one o hangea ia ha tuk whakaholo i siaina he taimi katoanga o i tau fo o. Pena i kamata ia i haki i kolo i siaina ko whakataumua ki ono o mai o amanaki lelei ma ai kakai. I he ene pehe, ko polokalama ane whiawhi, ko oangi ha taimi whiawhia mai ngai whamini, mo whakatoha amanak lelei ki whanonga anga o i tau whaoni ki a tau lelei momono ia. Ne toi pehe e Wei Min, ko konga pe eni a hono lalanga e siaina a hono wāwhenga o aki whakatipilo me tika mo tongani. Ki ono oange ma ai kakai tonga ha usia tatau o whiawhia whakatau fo o ku mau e he kakai siaina i siaina he taimi peheni. Kai kehe, koe whana oni ane e whiawhi, ne mahino au pito ai whisi i he ata ai mama, pea whetapaki o hange ai langi hasali o te awhi kone o mai ha amanak lelei ki tokolahi, koe tau wanoa waono, koe tau monu ia. Ne mea fok i he polokalamani mo e pale mia, no pele whakawhanua, koe whakawhi whakalanglangi. Mai o ngonga le dio me televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
O kuhi ke totonge koloa lolo o kamatalao i he ahoni. Ko whapapau ia me he waa ma umawhai ke he totonge koloa ano hi ke totonge kotoa o i koloa lolo ke he kamata o i ta o wanoa wao no. Betsy Blake ilo lahia me whai kiki.
Ko hiko e ni o kumatu unga ia me hiki pe seti e walo i he mahina Novema o i tau ko si ai totonge wheleti o i lolo i ono whiawe aki holo me he maketi o kumai me iai ai koloa lolo a Tongani. I kai ko ia pē, ka o kauki he ni mo wheto o aki i he tuunga o ki ai ai whakawhetongi paanga, ko hui ko kei vai ai paanga tonga. Ai ko hiki ko e ni, ko ti solo o hiki lahi taha, ai au hiki aki a seniti e taha nima, hoko hake ai kalasini ko seniti e hongo fulu, pe hiki sente nima ai pensini. I he ene pehe lewa ko te tongi whakamowete lewa e I he paanga e tolu sent e wanoa ai pensini ki he lita, paanga e ua sent e nima noa ai kalasini ki he lita, pe paanga e tolu sent e tolu nima ai tisolo ki he lita. Ko te tong whaokoi ni e ngai akia I he mahina e taha, kai e ua lewa ko tukuange mai ai te tongi whaou ki Februeli, o mga tuunga me hono whikai o tuunga ne iai hono hu mai ai lolo, he mahina tisema o ta uku o si. Ko ngahi wheta o aki koe ni I he totongi o I koloa lolo, o kua maheni pe o mga tuunga, me he tuunga whakapaanga o ngahi whakamole ki ono hu mai o I koloa lolo ki Tongani, me maketi I Singapore o kune o mai ai lolo. Mai no pe whoki ko ta uku o si, wanoa wani mā, ne lahi ai ngahi taimi ne iai ai hongi pensini. Ka ko whakaha he pale mea I he ngongo ne tuku atu ki mua, ai os whoki ki hanga maheni, ai whakahoko whatongia ai ongo kautaha lolo, ki ono hu mai ai koloa lolo ki Tongani. Ma ai ngongo ali te o me televiso ni Tonga, ko Petit Blake, Ilolahia.
Ko whānau I ai fōfua pepe o I tau ki he tau wanoa wāono. Ai ako ki pepe tamasei ko Victor Junior whiwhita o Nuku'alofa Tongatapu. Nei whānau a Victor I he taimi o se hongo fulumi he walu pongpong a neafi o I aho oloa ko Sanuali wanoa wāono I he whalimahaki vai o lape. I he whamatala nei toko mai me laia panipo oi me he waa whaliwha ele whalimahaki vai o la, nei whiunga mo I kalami e tolu whāni manoa ai mamafa o I pepe. Ka ako ki tauhi pe I he whalimahaki vai o la. O ko mo ilelei pe pepe, whakataha mo ene whine eiki ko Shalvi whiwhita. Ko Victor, ko I fufua tamatangata ia a Shalvi whiwhita, mo honu he sepaniti amanaki whiwhita I he whanau e toko ua. Nei mawhinga maalia ngonga le te otonga ke whakatanga nohanga ton ke whae o I pepe o I tau Shalvi whiwhita ki he ongo na ane mau I he mahina ko I whae ia ai uluaki pepe o I tau.
Nā maapito ha ngoi whiawhia, ko inga ko os mawai Moimoi tama, pa koe taha ko toki ki fofua whohaini, ko mao, maako, ai koe whikawa ia. Ko lahi taha peo tahinga pa koe whikawa ka ki tamasio. Pa ko whiawhia apito mawai moi ke hamea ku hoko. Pa ko ki popaka peo family ko maa taha o whalahi ka motor me tau fo o koe ni, o whakamu maa ha tau fo o whiawhia mo nuia.
O ku mahina o kei whenga ngongoni ki he otomotu ki ngai whalimahaki I toke lao, ki he tuunga ne iai ai fōfua pepe o I tau. O ku manatua makehe, he waa ngonga le te otonga, ai taha o I kau whakawhatongia, kua tō tau I he whanonga anga, ka koe taha o I ngahi leo maheni, me he le te otonga ne mo whiao mai moia I he ngahi taulahi, ko mele waka piutau havili. Ne whakahoko ai I he pongpongi o I ahoni, ai o wau whakamawai ai whamili, pea mo mele waka havili I hono api na whaangape I kolofo o. Pena I ai tonu ai pule lahi me kaungawe ai komson whamafolalea o Tonga, koe fie kaunga mamahi ke he mole, ai ofisa ngawe tonu ngani. Neongo e tawa usia ai tau whaouni, wanoa wano mohono ngahi talafungani o I tawa usia ai mo ui, ka o kumanatua makehe e he kaungawe o le te otonga ai tō tau ai ofisa ngā weni. Ne māloaloa me le waka havili I he aha wa fitu o Tisema wanoa wanima, hili ai laka ai tau e wafulu e ne whakahoko whatongia koe taha o kau ofisa whamafolalea o I waa le te o. Nā ne whakahoko whatongia ki hono whamafola ngahi kātoa ngalalahi I Tongani, pe e whoki ke ngahi polokalama lahi I Tongani, I hono o atu I he le te o me televiso ne Tonga. Pe neongo kua pule atu, ahano le o I he ahoni me he le te o Tonga e ema tānoa tā fitu, mo e whae mahi wanoa ka ako kei alaha pe mo ngā ngato, a en e whakahoko whatongia le lei, ma ai le te o me televiso ne. Uni o ngongo whalotu whanuai ke hauani, te tawa kaile wahen ke whamimitaha mehemala ai o sipoti o kahili eni pia mo Mark ake.
Me he malai o Akapulu Unioni. O ku amanaki whetauraki e haapai Seasides mo I tolo Old Boys I he whainolo mai ipu alawenga maali a pongpongi I he pāke te uwhaiwa. Kua puka e he ongo te mini ana sea ki whainolo, hire na mālohi na vainga sim whainolo I he aho pule lulu. I he semi-final uluaki, nai malo pe hao e tolo Old Boys i tuku hali a hihifo, a ke kai koe ua walu ki he ua fitu. I he tau semi-final hono ua, ne malo hi haapai i haateiho, whaataha ki he tolo noa. Nai whakahoko mo i ngahi semi-final ki he tuunga whika 5 mo ono, ka koe tau i ene pereti o whea hui. Aia ne malo he malisi i he whasi maufanga Vikings, ono ua ki he ua walu, ka i kona i kale a kolomotua i ngere ia, tolu ono ki he ua whaa. I hene pehe e tau i e kolomotua mo i malisi e pereti a uhu, wainga a haateho mo hihifo a e polonise, pe a whainolo e whai one one mo i wātau koula i te uwhaiva. Ko whakahingoa a te rita lova ka koe whene mui fisiko Helena Young i he elisi e kau a te rita tuki mua taha i he paswiki mai wanoa wani maa. O ku whiri elisi koe ni whakatatau ki he tuunga pe koe poini ai ka o te rita i mamani ka koe World Athletics Ranking. Ai ko Young koe a te rita lova maolunga taha ia me i fisi mo i poini e hiwangia wano fitu. O ku whikanima a Young i he elisi koe ni ka utataki ia e Adrian Wanangi, Leonie Bow, mo Isila Upcup me i Papua New Guinea. Ko e whakailonga rere ni ki a Young, he mahino nengo ne tau sii, ko ne skau he ka o te rita rere taha me he paswiki. Ka eke ko Young koe whiri ka o te rita ki he lisi o i kau a te rita tuki mua mamani, o ku whikai e nau ngahi ola, me ngai whiauhi ko nau kau ki ai i he tau. O ku kawa Young he taha i kau aterita o mataha me he paswiki, pa ku amanaki gene hoko atu ki he ngahi whiahui whakatopori anga i he tauni.
Ko Mark Ake e moi whamumitaha me he mala e o sipoti, ko e wakalewa e ni ki he tuunga o ea, toko mai me senda whamatala e tongai whamutu whahokatuia e pete lo taulaki.
Malai lau maari e pēa mālo tau te au sia mai ki he tau whauko ni o wāwhi wano, wakai e pē ki he tuunga koukuia ea ki he whakasinga kuia o e wike. E kei mawhana pe tau ke hoko tai pe mo mawhana kuia ea tu pēia me he laa, pēia i he taimta tau pē e iai moha uha tūmato, ia ngahi whei tuu pē e ni ihi. A koi misa te lai te ena, mai no pe alo maari e koia Tonga i ngahi hua kona tau toki si tua koia me iai. I he whakatokanga, nei iai pe whakatokanga hako mo e wharitokanga i ngai wakaiki, ki he potahi whakatokanga kanai tokan teiret pia aneu. O koe whakatokanga tahi lahi ne tok tuku at pe mo ia aneu ki he kotoa ngā he potahi kau maa ngahi matawhanga koia o e otu Tonga. Aho ni ma koen ka hoko mai tau whaifononga atu no fo alata maki uha koe ni i he whakahihifo koe Tonga, ka whaitokanga ngā koe toke lawa hake koe hawiri. Pea koe anga mahini peia i he tāua kune o mai ai, ai ea o mawhana kau maha hoa. Alo maari e pepea e iai moha uha tu mo tō malawa ke lolo laha i ngai taime ni. E tau whaifononga koe ia ki he konga loto koe ia o e wike kaha o. Ka koe whewhini ene o whaifononga ki he pongpongi, alo maari e pe me ni wa Tongatapu o hifo ki Tongatapu mo eua, au whia iai moha uha tu mo tō ki he o niwa whao pea. Ko hawiri wangi me toke lau haha ke hongo frutahani ma whiangia ke ngai taime ni o ke maritai hongo fulu ki hoa ngai taime. Ka inga tai toke lau hake ko ni ke o mai pia e o mawhana au pe ki he maulao taha ko tigiri se wanima mo e wano ki he o ni wano. Ka koa pongpongi, whaifononga toi pe me alo maari e mamata ke whafonga la a, iai moha uha tu mo tō i ngahi wheitu pe ni ko hawiri kei angi peia me toke lau haha ke ke o mai pia i ha e o mawhana ki he kotoa o Tonga. Pea nofo pe malohi ko hongo frutaha nima, ai ko maurunga tahana te taula wā o kei ko e tigri se tō taha pea mahina o pe mawhana a e lia ko ia ngoni ua. Malawa pe wā o ke tigri se kautoro ai. Ka koe whaifononga at koe he tōna ki o ke pongpong sa pate, kei lahi peke alo maari e pe whaau peke au a whia mo niwa Tongatapu. Pea malawa ke loro lahi ia ngai taime ni tau te whito peki niwa whaau kei nofo pe hawiri he toke lau haha ke, me ke o mai pe mawhana ko ia e au ke tigri se wano. Ua whito tau te whito peki he ongo niwa. Nea ngau haa wano atu e i niwa Tongatapu kai malawa po wa o ki he ua whito. Koe sa pate rewa o ku lahi peke alo maari e ki konga lahi ni o Tonga tu ke pe a ongo niwa. Malawa ke lolo lahi a ngahi taime ni mua o ke hawa e whia whiki Tongatapu mo ewa. Malawa peke lolo lahi i ngahi taime e ni ihi. Ako Tonga ko ngahi whaifonua ku lahi peke alo maari ma wao hapai mo e toka ngā hawiriu ke iangi pe me toke lau haha ke. Taimi ko ia tahi, mātoka tahi e pōni i he tua pōko pōni te hongo furu ko i ke tātau maari e ia a pongpongi i he whitu. La me mahina hopa la i osmite tolu ko me ano, tō e la a i he osmite wano ko me whitu tō, a e mahina osmite hongo furu mātaha ko me nima. Kai pehe ki he hopa mahina mo kātoa e mahina, fufua kātoa ni he wawhi wano a pongpongi i he osmite wa wha ko ia me he whitu. Ahani makon ka hoko mai o kulahi peke alo maari e pea au awhia e ngahi taime nihi mo lololahi. Pea ko ke whala i te e malawa ke iai ha mana. I pea kai ngatai ki toke lau hake pe haviri. Mahino ta whai whanonga at ko ia e kei hauhau mawhana pe a ea. Ai o ke tiki sese se tō noa ki he tōru taha. Ko tau ngata ngā pe ke he whiawhini whatawangi peke mō mao ha whakasinga o ha wike rerei. Ka tau tok whemata aki i he wike kaha o.
Ko pete lo tau lake i hono tuku mai ai fuafua whakamatala ea TV ko ia televisione ki he tauni. Pea mo kakate peha mo uni o ngongo ki mapatau mawai tato wakai pehe ni ke ngai ulu i o ngongo. Talitali e tongani ai tau fo'ou a ki hakatoa ngā whana one ane whiawhi i loto Nuku'alofa. Whanau e fuafua pepe o i tau i he pongpongi ane awhi i Viola pea tō tau. Ai taha o kaule o maheni e le te o Tonga ko mele waka havili pea o mana tua makehe wa ao ngongo ai taime o eni whakahako whatongia ma ai maa i moa o i komsoni whamafola lea o Tonga. Pea mo kakate peha mo uni o ngongo lea whatonga me le te o ka uma Afrika Televisione Tonga ki hawani mo ia e whaka amune au tono at kiloto whale ai Tonga hono kotoa o ate pe ai talamonu o whakemo mau ha tau fo'o Fon keles ia i he tauni. Whamalo te tau kei whi au mai, ko a sonori tatu i wai ka momea.
Good evening and Happy New Year. Welcome to your first news bulletin with Radio and Television Tonga for 2026. Leading our headlines tonight, Ministry of Tourism collaborates with the Chinese Embassy for stunning fireworks display to celebrate the New Year. Viola Hospital welcomes first baby of the year at 8 in the morning on New Year's Day. And Tonga Broadcasting Commission bids farewell to a long-serving broadcaster who passed away after Christmas. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin with the latest from sports and the latest weather update. Now I'm Vaifanov Paula with the stories in detail. The Ministry of Tourism, in collaboration with the Chinese Embassy, organised a special New Year celebration for the evening of the 1st of January, gathering a large crowd to enjoy a family night out in town, culminating a brilliant fireworks display. Lydia Taukapo reports.
3, 2, 1!
The New Year fireworks display was held last year on New Year's Eve, but after careful consideration of the noise impact of the fireworks, the event this year was moved to the evening of the second day, out of respect for several church services that ring in the new year for many in Tonga. Speaking at the event, the acting chief executive officer of the Ministry of Tourism, Fotuika Vailea, said the program was aimed at bringing the public together to celebrate the new year and to enjoy the fireworks, which symbolize hope and positive beginnings for the year ahead. The Chinese ambassador to Tonga, His Excellency Liu Weimin, said fireworks are a long-standing New Year tradition in China, originally meant to bring hope and good fortune. Adding that this event also reflects the ongoing diplomatic relationship between China and Tonga. Locals and visiting foreigners attending the event enjoyed the evening's display, which many described as a bright start to when they hope will be a prosperous and blessed year ahead. The guest of honor, the Prime Minister, Lord Fafanua, will certainly be hoping to get a good start of the year, as the country will eagerly await the announcement of his cabinet. Meanwhile, Tonga police remain vocal on reminding the public of the dangers of fireworks, especially when mishandled, calling on the public to comply with laws relating fireworks, particularly to protect children, the elderly and people with disabilities, and to exercise caution when using fireworks at home. The Ministry of Health has also reiterated its warnings on fireworks safety, urging parents to keep fireworks away from children, as some individuals remain under medical care at Viola Hospital due to fireworks-related injuries. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
Fuel prices have increased with immediate effect following an announcement by the Tonga Competent Authority of the Ministry of Trade and Economic Development. More on that story with Mark Ake.
The authority says the adjustment is mainly due to an 8% increase in freight costs from Singapore in November, who is Tonga's primary fuel supplier, along with the continued weakness of the Tongan currency. As such, diesel prices have increased by 15 seniti per litre, kerosene by 10 seniti, and petroleum by 5 seniti. The new fuel prices means diesel will now sell at $3 seniti per litre and kerosene at $3.35 seniti per litre. The new prices will remain in effect for 1 month, with a possible review in February based on fuel import costs for December. Tonga regularly adjusts fuel prices in line with international market movements and shipping costs. The former Prime Minister previously addressed fuel shortages in 2025, assuring the public that fuel supply chains have since returned to normal. Mark Ake, Radio and Television Tonga News.
Viola Hospital has welcomed the first baby of 2026 at yesterday early morning. Senorita Tuivai was at the hospital this morning and will tell you more on that story.
The first baby of the year 2026, named Victor Jr. Fifita, was born to parents Shalvi Fifita and Amanaki Fifita from Nuku'alofa at 10 minutes past 8 yesterday morning. Melaya Panipo'oi from the obstetrics ward at Viola Hospital says Victor was born weighing 450 grams and mother and the baby are in good health, both still being cared for at Viola Hospital. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, mother Shalvi says Victor is her and her husband's second child, but it's their first son, and she's overjoyed and feeling deeply blessed to have to receive this gift. She said she is grateful for a safe delivery and for the good health of her newborn son. Victor is understood to be the first baby of the year at Viola Hospital, but there hasn't been any information received from the Outer Islands hospitals regarding any newborn babies on New Year's to claim first baby of the year in the country.
And the Tonga Broadcasting Commission has today bid farewell to one of its long-time staff members, radio announcer Melevaka Havili. Melevaka Havili was known to many listeners of Radio Tonga, with generations growing up listening to her on the radio since 2004. She passed away on December 27th at Viola Hospital and was laid to rest this morning at Takaunave Cemetery in Fasi. I'll tell you more on the funeral. A familiar and trusted voice on Radio Tonga, Melevaka is remembered for her dedication and service to the nation through broadcasting. She joined the Tonga Broadcasting Commission in 2004 as one of the radio broadcasters, working closely with the newsroom, particularly on Radio Tonga's daily news programs. Her professionalism and commitment earned her the respect and admiration of colleagues and listeners alike. Throughout her career, Melevaka covered major national events and important ceremonies, leaving behind a lasting legacy in Tonga's broadcasting history. While her passing leaves a void within the Commission, her contributions and impact on Tonga's media landscape will be remembered. With lots of love and remembrance, we farewell Melevaka Havili. And that's it from the local scene. Sports is up next after this break with Mark Ake. Stay tuned.
to rugby union. The Ha'apai Seasides have booked a date with the Tolo Old Boys for the Lavinga Malia Cup final tomorrow at Te Whaiva. This comes after Ha'apai put the Ha'ateo Spartans to the sword 41 points to 30 in a wildly entertaining semi-final on New Year's Eve. The reigning Tongatapu champions, Spartans, were first to score, but Ha'apai quickly took control of the majority of the game. The Spartans took the lead late in the game until Ha'apai replied with a last-minute score to put the game to bed. In the other semi-final, the Tolo Old Boys broke the Hifo Tukuhali's hearts after holding them off to a 28-27 victory. Meanwhile, in the plate semi-finals, the Marist demolished the Fasimaufanga Vikings 62 points to 28, while Kolmatua beat the Ngele'ia Warlords at extra time 36 points to 24. The finals are expected to take place tomorrow, which will see Kolmatua battle the Marist in the plate final, Ha'ateho versus Hihifo in the bronze final, and in the grand final, Ha'apai versus the Tolo Old Boys. To athletics, Fijian sprint star Helena Young has underlined her place among the Pacific's best after finishing 5th overall in the Pacific Islands Women's Athletics Top 14 rankings for 2025. Based on the latest World Athletics rankings as of December 23rd, Young is the highest-ranked Fijian sprinter on the list, earning an overall score of 967 points to place her among the region's very best across all track and field events. The rankings are led by Papua New Guinea's Adrien Monangi, followed by compatriot Leonie Beu with Isila Upcup third. Young's 5th place finish puts her ahead of several established names from across the Pacific and underlines her growing consistency on the international stage. Unlike event-specific lists, the overall World Athletics rankings compare athletes from all disciplines using a performance-based scoring system. Each competition result earns a performance score, calculated by combining an athlete's result score and placing score. For Young, the ranking reflects not just raw speed but sustained performance against quality fields across the season, a key marker of all elite-level athletics. Back to rugby union, Louis Rizamet says he is incredibly happy to have signed a new deal with the Bristol Bears. The club have not disclosed the length of the 24-year-old's new contract but described it as long-term. The Wales wing or fullback returned to rugby union from the NFL last summer and has looked at home in Pat Lam's side, scoring 6 tries in 8 appearances. Lam also thinks there is more to come from Rees Ahmed, who toured the British and Irish Alliance in 2021. Rees Ahmed said that he was incredibly happy to have committed his future to the Bears, as it is the perfect club for him, and is excited to see what he can achieve. And to boxing, British former world heavyweight champion Anthony Joshua has been discharged from the hospital after being injured in a car accident in Nigeria's Ogun state that killed 2 of his friends. The 36-year-old sustained minor injuries when the vehicle he was in collided with another vehicle on Tuesday, killing 2 of his close friends and teammates. Reports said a tire burst on the car before hitting a stationary truck. Joshua, who is the son of British-Nigerian parents, attended a boarding school in Ikenne, 53 miles from where the crash happened, before returning to Britain at the age of 12. The accident occurred just over a week after Joshua knocked out American social media star Jake Paul in the 6th round of a bout in Miami. Joshua was returning to the ring after a 15-month layoff. He was expected to fight a longtime rival and fellow Briton Tyson Fury this year.
There was sports with Mark Ake. Now looking at the latest weather update issued by Petelo Taulaki, a meteorologist from the Tonga Met Office.
Happy New Year to you all out there from Tonga Meteorological and Coastal Radio Services. Welcome to your first of the year weather update for 2026. So we will be covering this weekend, the first weekend of the year. So it's going to be fine, bright skies, very strong sunshine related with our concern here, humid conditions for all of us. However, they will be having some partly cloudy with some few showers for some places. Looking at the latest satellite imaging, we will experience fine, bright skies with very strong sunshine for the area of responsibilities in the past few hours. At first, we have our warnings. We have just cancelled the strong wind warning and small craft advisory for the southern waters of Tonga this morning. And continuously, we have just added the extremely high tide warning for all of Tonga coastal waters. For the next upcoming 5 days, starting by tomorrow, we have this floppy low pressure towards to the western parts of the group, and we have those elongated trough towards to the west once again across to the southern waters of Tonga. But our main concern here is those northeasterly flow that wafting in mild air associated with humid and moist conditions as we head on mid next week. Looking into the skies, it will be having fine bright skies. However, they will be partly cloudy with some few showers and could be heavy at times as we head to mid next week once again. But for this evening, starting this evening, it's going to be fine for many of us. However, they will be having some few showers for the north end. Once again, the winds will be from the northeast and light and variables at times. That northeasterly flow will having our related to our lowest temperatures, so having still quite warmer towards to the area of responsibility, so still uncomfortable for sleeping. So for tomorrow, still having a wide spread of blue skies for the vast of maturities. Some local events of having some few showers. The winds will be at the same conditions. That means we'll still having that northeasterly flow and 10 to 15 knots, still bringing in humid conditions for the area of responsibilities. So associated with our highest temperatures here, so could be reaching at 31 or exceeded at 31, particularly to the northern once again over the news. And for Saturday, ready for Sunday, still having that northeasterly flow, still having that warm conditions, still having that wide spread of fine spells, having that showers towards to the northern once again over the news, and having a mist and heat and showers by that. And the overnight temperatures still having similar to what we are going to have for tonight, still having that 26 and 27 towards to the news, still uncomfortable for sleeping once again. And for Sunday, here still have wide spreads of fine spells across the area of responsibilities, still having that mist and heat showers towards the newer for all once again, and over later in the day, especially to the south and once again over Tongatapu and Ewa. And those northeasterly flows still prevails there, so still having that warm and humid conditions for the vast of maturities. Tide predictions, we'll be having our low tide for around midnight tonight at 12:50 a.m. High tide will be tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Sun and moon will be having a sunrise for tomorrow at 3 minutes past 6. Sunset will be 6 minutes past 7. Moonset will be 11 minutes past 5, and the moonrise and and we're having our full moon for tomorrow at 7:24 p.m. At last, for next week, for Nuku'alofa, we'll be having a fine bright skies, very strong sunshine. However, they will be having some few showers and could be heavy at times. As we move towards Friday, they will be having a chance of having some thunderstorms. But another concern, we might have still continuously with humid conditions due to northeasterly flow. Our highest temperatures could be reaching 30 to 31. That's quite all from us for this evening. Hoping that you have a good weekend, and we will see you again by next week.
That was Petelo Taulaki with the latest weather update, wrapping up your English news package for the hour. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Ministry of Tourism collaborates with the Chinese Embassy for stunning fireworks display to celebrate the New Year. Viola Hospital welcomes the first baby of the year at 8 in the morning on New Year's Day, and Tonga Broadcasting Commission bids farewell to long-serving broadcaster who passed away after Christmas. That's it for tonight. Thank you for joining us for our first news bulletin for 2026. The newsroom still commits to bring you timely and reliable, trusted news as we journey through the new year 2026. But I'm Paula with the Hours Bulletin. Happy New Year and good evening.